Hi, this is Blake here, and today we are turning our iPhone into a wireless hard drive for our iPad. Coming right up. Alright, welcome sa aking mga viewers. It's a Tagalog, okay. Now, just a hint, I don't really use Tagalog in my videos because Pinoy po ako, I'm not Indonesian or whatever. I'm from the Philippines and I don't usually use Tagalog because I find it awkward for me to use Tagalog. As a Bisaya, most of us don't speak Tagalog. Most of us, yeah. We only use Bisaya in our language. So kung Bisaya mo, like mo sa akong video, subscribe, or gusto ninyo ko mo speak Bisaya sa akong mga vlog, comment lang mo down below. And yeah, what I'm talking about is that it's not just all about Tagalog in the Philippines, there's also Bisaya in other languages. That's just a trivia, okay? Now for today, we're gonna be talking about how to turn our iPhone into a wireless hard drive for your iPad. Now for me as a starting vlogger, I actually use just an iPad to edit videos and photos for my Instagram, for my YouTube videos. It's all edited on an iPad. And my iPad is just a 64GB model and madali lang po siya ma-full. So I can easily use up all the 64GB on this specific device. Now let me just check one thing here. If we go to iPad storage, I have used half of the storage. I can easily use all the storage here on my iPad. So in order to maximize a large storage iPhone, you can use this as a wireless storage device for your iPad. Now this is only applicable for those users who use their iPad mostly in their work. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So this is my desk. I'm really sorry for the mess here. Pasensya na po sa kalat. The first method we're going to be talking about is Airdrop. I know that you know what Airdrop is, but to those of you who doesn't know what Airdrop is, it's like Bluetooth, but it's designed for Apple devices. Now in this case, Airdrop can be used in any file types on the iPad, but there's a but, okay? You cannot just send anything on Airdrop unless you use third-party applications. Now, in this case, we're gonna send photos from iPad to an iPhone, and that's basically basic. Okay, let's say I wanna send this picture to my iPhone. Click on the profile, and now the photo is sent here. Okay, so that's quite easy. It works with, what do you call that? It also works with videos. So photos and videos can be sent through Airdrop on both specific devices. Now, the second thing here for Airdrops, for example, if you go to books, I got some files here. For example, this ticket or this voucher, I want to send this over to my iPhone. Just share PDF, click on Airdrop, click on that profile, and right now, on your iPhone, there will be options where you want to save that specific document. That file is a PDF file, and if you want to save that on books, GoodNotes, WPS Office, it can be fine, it's fine. But I do suggest you use documents for that in order for you to have an organization of your files. Yeah, an organization of files, okay. So click Documents, and right now, Face ID, that specific file from my iPad is then stored here on my iPhone. Okay. Now, as a blogger, I also do edit photos and videos. Okay, now, one of the apps that I use to edit photos is Lightroom for mobile. Now, let's say I want to send this photo directly to my iPhone without saving this photo on my iPad. Okay, just click on Share, Share, Maximum Available. It's rendering, and just click on Airdrop, and that photo will be listed on your iPhone's photo gallery. Now in this case, since it's photo, it is directly sent to the iPhone photo gallery. Alright, now for videos, I usually use Luma Fusion, and right now we have a project here. And if you want to send that specific rendered file on your iPhone without saving the whole rendered file on your iPad, you can just click on Share, Movie, click on Other App and Airdrop. click on that share button, share. It's writing or it's rendering the movie. Just wait for it for a couple of seconds and click on Airdrop. Okay, sending. And right now, that specific rendered file will be listed on our iPhone's photo gallery, not in the iPad's photo gallery. Okay? Alright, so for the second method that we're talking about is the use of Documents by Readdle. Now, in this case, Documents is a file managing system that is far better than the Files app of Apple. So let me just open that on both devices here. I got it open on my iPhone. I'll open this on my iPad. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Alright, now let me just walk you through on downloading a file from the internet. Now I'll go to browser and I got a PDF here that I just opened from google.com. Okay, this is the file. Now I want this document to be saved on my iPad. Now I click on share, save page, and just hit on done. Yes, actually I have listed that on my downloads folder, but let's just overwrite that. So it's already finished. We go back to Documents folder, okay, and we go to Downloads folder and find that specific file. And here is the file from the browser. So basically in Documents by Readdle app, you can just download anything and everything under the sun. But just a disclaimer, you just cannot open all of the file types. You can download them, but you cannot open them unless it is being supported by the app. Okay? Now, I want to save that specific file to my iPhone without the use of Airdrop. So we're not going to use Airdrop here. We're going to use what we call Wi-Fi drive. Okay? So on both devices, we are going to enable WebDAV service. Now on our iPhone, click on that gear icon, okay, and then go to WebDAV and start WebDAV. You can put any username and password, okay, start WebDAV, and it will give you a certain IP address. Okay, that's done. Let's go to our iPad. We do the same thing. We go to WebDAV, same, put up username and password. It's better for you to have the same username and password for both of the devices, okay? Start WebDAV. All right, and hit close. Now here's the thing here. Here's the coolest thing here. We go to nearby, okay? And under the in the cloud section, nearby. On this specific page here, recently visited services, I got iPhone 10, okay? So since we have the same Wi-Fi network, I can access my files from my iPhones through my iPad. So if I click that and put my password, click on done, whatever is listed on my Documents app on my iPhone will appear on my iPad Pro. So I can actually just access everything that I have saved from my Documents by Readdle app on my iPhone here in my iPad. Now it's not what we're going to do right now. It's about sending or saving our files from Documents by Readdle app to our iPhone. So let's go to Documents. Okay, so we'll use this specific file here, the sample letter of interest. Okay, you hold it and click on nearby, click on our device, click on done, and let me just put this in a folder. Let's just say university files. Okay, so if you click university files, you will see that sample letter of interest is there already. Now let me just show you if it's on my iPhone. Okay, university files and sample letter interest. So that specific file is now listed on my iPhone. So it's very simple. It's just drag and drop. Okay, now what about other files? What about videos? Let's try it. Okay, let me find a video here. For example, this one, blurred bokeh video. This is a non-copyrighted video from pexels.com. Okay, just hold it, click on nearby, and then just drop it anywhere. For example, let's put it under just here. Okay, so it's going to upload on the iPhone. All right, so let's check on our iPhone if that video will be listed. I think it's still loading right now, so we're just gonna wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so let's check if that specific video is now listed on the iPhone. Okay, so we'll find it. So I think it's already here. It's blurred bokeh video. Let's check on our iPhone. All right, so it's now listed on our iPhone, blurred bokeh video. So basically, this acts just a wireless storage device for our iPad using Documents by Readdle app. You can transfer anything and everything, okay? But there are other methods where you can transfer files using this specific setup, because you can also use Airdrop in some cases. But just to give you a background or give you an idea on how to use your iPhone as a storage device. All right, so that's much about it, everyone. So thank you so much for watching my video. I think I will do an in-depth video on how to do some workaround with the use of Documents by Readdle app. This is just a rundown because, yeah, I don't want the video to become longer. So that's just to give you an idea on how to make your iPhone as a wireless hard drive. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something in one way or another. And yeah, if you want to learn anything and everything about iPhones, Androids, and stuff like that, you might want to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, contact me on my social media accounts. I'll be waiting for that. And until here, thank you so much, and adios amigos. Bye.